If you want to know how you can track cattle treatments with Airtable, well then stick around and listen to the rest of this video because I'm going to show you exactly that. So what I've done is I have built an Airtable table for treatments of livestock, and I have brought in a linked record here with a lookup field, and this lookup field has an auto calculation based on average daily gain. So it calculates the animal's current weight. You can record their ID, the treatment date, the condition, and then what they've been treated with. This is a linked record that links to a medicine database. This shows you a dosage per hundredweight. And then we have a treatment summary. So this is actually a calculation that tells you the exact amount of medicine that you need to give and who it's administered by, and then you can take some notes here. So this is really geared towards people who may be a little less experienced with treating cattle. And let's say you have an intern on the ranch, and they can actually access this on the phone. I'm just showing you via my desktop today. And over here on the left-hand side, we have medicine info. So let's say we have a steer with possible BRD, and they want to know a little bit more about that, and they're thinking to give Draxxin because that's what they have. So it tells you the scientific name, the route of admin, so sub-Q and IM. And then we have a dosage per 100 pounds, so 1.1 milliliters. And then some notes. What is this typically used to treat? So we got some BRD, also known as Mannheimia hemolytica, as my old animal health professor Kevin Johnson would say. We got foot rot, and then pink eye. So then we have repeat treatment. It's just a one-time dose. Withholding time is 18 days, so that means you have to wait 18 days before you slaughter the animal. And then down here we got a record of treatments that have been given Draxxin. So what I'm going to do is go back to this treatments page, and I'm going to add a new record, and I'm just going to pick, this is a steer that's owned by Sam Peterson. So its current weight is 862 pounds. I'm going to do J234. Today's date, August 21st. I'm going to do BRD. So I'm going to treat this with Draxxin. Now watch over here, not exceed. I'm going to actually just clear that out of there for a second. Well, I'm going to clear it. Sorry. And watch here. So you can see that this is a calculation field. We got the dosage. I'm going to move this over per 100 pounds. And then we have a treatment summary. So if I choose Draxxin, you'll see 1.1. Then it gives a calculation. So 10 milliliters of Draxxin based on this 862 pounds. And then I'm going to administer that. And then add a few notes. I can just type in whatever I want here. And there you go. So you have an entire record of all cattle that have been treated, who's treated them, the dates they've been treated, the dosage they've been giving, and then you can put any notes in here you want. So this is a great way to provide records to slaughterhouses, any certification programs that you might be in, and just a great way to just keep records and keep track of expenses. All right, well, stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'll hopefully have another insightful video for you. Thanks.